I'm Lisa. I've been with SOTI for about 4 years, and I'm with the global comms and brand team within marketing. My transition from intern to permanent employee, for me, it was completely smooth. Right off the bat, as I started my internship, they knew I had the skills, they knew I had the passion, and so it was really just learning about the business. And so when I was getting projects as an intern, it was projects that had a lot of responsibility. I was making an impact. And so when I transitioned, it was pretty much same old, except now I'm full-time. In terms of SOTI's work culture, I would have to say 10 out of 10. It is a mixture of both professionalism, but also being able to have fun on a day-to-day basis with your colleagues and work on projects in a very collaborative way, which is always exciting. Have multiple people putting their heart and soul into a project and having something amazing come out of it. How you can be successful at SOTI if you're interested in joining. One of the most important things is learning how to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. That's really the only way that you're going to be able to grow and elevate yourself in your career.